Okay. Hi, friends. How are you? I'm excited. I'm going to attempt, I should say, to do the 100-day project. And I found a fun Arteza, good brand, art journal at Goodwill. And I counted it, and it's only 5 pages missing. So there's technically 95 sheets in here. And that's only doing 1 sheet like per day. So I should be fine doing both sides if I need. Anyways, I'm excited. What I'm going to do is I am going to do figure drawing and portrait drawing for 100 days. So I'm doing both because I want to mix it up. I want to get better at doing portraits and figure drawing. And I figured they can go hand in hand. So I'm excited to bring you on this journey with me. And I'm sorry that that's all blurry because it's looking at the other camera. But I'm going to switch cameras now. I don't know why, but so this one is all decorated. This is the one I'm working in now with Year Light. So these are some of the most recent paintings I've done. So that's that one. That's my current one. And then this will be the one for the 100 Days project. And I thought with you guys today that I would just get this out of the way, go ahead and decorate this one. And I thought that won't completely work. I was hoping it would cover the whole front, but it's not. But this is a scrap that from art class from doing jelly prints and stuff. So that's what that's from. Maybe we can do a little bit of this on here. Ooh. I don't know if I need to use up the whole thing, but I can certainly, let's see, we'll do a strip here and a strip here, I think. All right, where are my scissors? How much did I need? Okay, just the bottom 2. All right, so we'll cut here. I'm gonna do this. Of course, we have some extra on the side there, and then need a strip to go over here. How much do we need? Looks like we just need a strip's worth. Hopefully that'll work. We'll see. All right, so let's see. Is that gonna work? I think so. I think it will. All right, I'm gonna glue the strips down first. Well, I gotta find my Mod Podge. I gotta cut this side off too. I got extra on the bottom of that one. Let's see. Is that right? Yep. Let's find the extras there. All right, Mod Podge, where are you? I'm gonna pause for a sec while I look for it. Oh, I don't know if I can do that. It's gotta be here. Somewhere. Haha. Okay, not Mod Podge, but Aileen's Decoupage. Another great product. And we'll stick it on our little paint thing here. We need a place to put our glue. And Bailey, you don't need that. And then I always mark my paintbrushes that I use for glue and stuff like that with like a piece of paper or something, so I don't use it for other things. So I could conceivably do both. Ooh, I like that. I'm gonna do both sides of this. So need a lot of, should probably just put it right on it. That works too. Could certainly do that. So sorry I couldn't be with you live today. I should have just saved this. Oh well. I will just post this video maybe and do something different for the live. I don't know. We'll see. But Monday the kids have dentist appointments. So I won't be able to be with you guys on Monday, but that's okay. And it's okay I'm getting this on the cover because I'm gluing this all down, and it's okay to get it messy. But could have just taped this right, oh well, right inside of, oh, why aren't you sticking there? Not enough glue, I guess. Go. No, you can't see. I was down there at the bottom. Can't get much higher here. Well, maybe one more. I don't know if that'll help or not, because it's a big journal. All right, I am just going to do this. I think it'll be easier to spread this way. Yes, the dog is still on my lap, all snuggled in, even though you can't see her. All right, let's spread this out. Make sure, hopefully, it sticks okay. So decoupage can be used to give it as glue, but also as a sealant for different projects. I would be very careful in using it in water-based projects because it could activate the water-based aspect, whatever you're using. All right, here we go. I guess I could have gotten rid of some of the white, but that's okay. And then get my bone folder to kind of push all those bubbles out. Oh, not so hot right there. A little too fast probably. Can't seem to get that bubble to go. That up if I wanted. I don't know. I don't have a particular plan. I'm just kind of playing with it here as we go along. I think I'm going to put a nice old layer on top just to seal some of this in. Particularly, oh, there's like a chunk or something. There we go. Particularly here, it can help smooth edges out, or if something's not sticking, and stick it under there, get it to stick a little more. A little too much. Oh well. Try and just spread it out. Put a little too much on. That happens. But it'll seal in all of this jelly prints. That's from the roller. From rolling out, rolling the paint off of the jelly print. Just trying to smooth this all out so it's nice and smooth. All this extra stuff here. And it's water-based too, so you can just wash your brush off. When you're done. Now I'm just trying to make sure there's not too many air bubbles. This is a bone folder. All right. It looks like we need a trim right here. There we go. I might put some kind of title down here. Not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about that. I'm excited. I got the dollar store. They had these stamp blocks, which is nice for the clear stamps that you can buy. And they have some of those too. Let's see if I can find. So I'm very excited for all these clear stamps. This is a bonus. And then these I got at GoodWill. Those are other things. But look at all this. How fun is all of this, right? So let's see. What should I stamp? I think I'm going to do this frame, and I'll write 100-day project in there. I think that would be fun. Oh, but now I got to find ink. Stamping ink would be the next thing I need to find. Oh boy. All right. Oh no, I totally just did not record all of that. Okay, how embarrassing is that? So I took a break. I stopped to go get my stamp pad. As you can see, I tried out a couple stamps. I'm realizing that it didn't record. So now I have to show you. I just had it. Just had this stamp block. Where'd it go? Is it in here? Are you kidding me? I already misplaced it. Go figure. Where are you? All right. Well, I have two of these, and I already misplaced the one. I was here showing you guys. I did this, so I pulled that off of, not that one, this one. These are from the Dollar Tree, and I stamped this one, and then I also did this cute little typewriter here. I can do another one because I love to read, so we will do this one. I'll do the book. So you guys can totally see how this works. I did the typewriter with this multi one, and I had a purple one for this guy. Let's see if this pink one works for this little book. That might be, oh, well, there's still some ink in there. So I love to read. And I mentioned for my 100-day project, oh, cute little book. I'll stamp a couple more. That I am, oh, that didn't work because of the angle. Sorry about that. Do portraits and figures. So I'm going to try and improve on my people drawing. So portraits and figures for 100 days. And I glued all this stuff down, and now we're decorating with stamps. So these came, not the stamp pads, but these little clear block things, and these stamps not all, sorry, I'll take that back. I got these from the Dollar Tree, so got lots to play with. And then these clear stamps came from GoodWill. So I'm excited to use all those, and there it is. Now I found it. And then these also came from the dollar store, which worked really well. I like. So I'll be excited to use these in different projects. Yay! So I hope you will join me as we go through 100 days of, and I still had bubbles in here. Ah, bugger. That stinks. I guess it adds to the character of it, right? There's a big one. I don't think I'm gonna get that out. These little ones I might be able to. Some of them are coming down, not the bigger ones. I'm ruining some of my stamps too. Oh well. All right, folks. Well, now I will decorate this more as we go along. Thought of adding this too, but I'll add that somewhere else. And yeah, so I will need to create a pocket on my back cover back here. Usually do that also with a scrap piece of paper. Oh, this might be a card. I think this is a card, yeah. I'm going to keep that one as a card. We'll use this one. I was just looking for a heavier piece of paper. And then we will tape this down with some washi tape here. We'll see. Hopefully this will hold. So, and this will allow me to put like papers and tracing paper, that kind of stuff in the back. Or not in the back, but to hold on to it right here. So, but I don't know if this washi tape will hold that, but we'll see. Right? We will see. Make it look pretty. This was a failed attempt at an image transfer. This one worked, that one didn't, but it's still kind of cool. And you keep these little kinds of things for exactly what I'm doing right now for this type of project. There we go. I think I need some washi tape here. Not sure why, but I stuck a piece of washi tape right there. So I think this color scheme is my color scheme. So there we go. Sorry, my camera was crooked there. So 100-day project. Woohoo! Are you going to join me? And if so, what are you going to work on for the next 100 days? I can't wait to see. Alrighty, friends. Take care.